this is a very impressive factory, a very impressive infrastructure for the conversion of old rubber trees into plywood. I think it is the sort of technology that we require at this time, because there are so many areas that we can exploit so easily to make quality room for our people, and not just to improve their lives, but also to engage them peacefully. I also want to urge the Chinese investors that this is a great opportunity to transfer technology. We really know that all of our people, our young men and women who are here, are very skilled and can be skilled.